Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss how the Humastar 200 measure the creatinine. As you can see, this is the creatinine kit, and I will show to you what is in the creatinine kit. And this is the reagent one, which is in the 100 ml, and it is an NaOH. All the things are already mentioned that what is the last date of the kit, and which measure you have, which temperature you have to store it. And this is the reagent 1 again, and again this is the reagent 2, which is a PIC, which means picric acid. It is in the 550 ml bottle, 50 ml volume. And now there is another thing, which is the standard, which is available in the 5 ml for the creatinine. And now I will show it to you how the Humastar 200 measure the creatinine. As it is already mentioned that autocreatinine liquor is measured by Jeff reactions. Creatinine forms in the alkaline solution an orange red color complex with picric acid. The absorption of this complex is proportional to the creatinine concentration in the sample. Creatinine plus picric acid, which is in reagent 2, form a creatinine picrate complex. The contents are already mentioned. As I told you, in the reagent 1, this is an NaOH, which is 2 bottles of 100 ml, and PIC picric acid in the reagent 2, which is in 50 ml of 1 bottle, and there is a standard in 5 ml of bottle. And now we are going to discuss how the reagent preparation and what are the things available. NaOH, which is a reagent 1, and a picric acid R2 are ready to use in the analyzer. As you already see, this is the bottle, and it is ready to use. For working reagent, mix the NaOH and picric acid in the ratio of 4:1. Standard is ready for use. When you have to make the working reagent, you have to mix the 4 ratio of NaOH and the 1 ratio of picric acid. Reagent stability, in which it tells how to store and what are the things which are important for the reagent stability. Reagents are stable even after the initial opening up to the stated expiry date when stored in a closed container at 15 to 25 degrees C. As you already see that we opened the kit on 28/6/2024, and now we are using it again and again. And contamination must be avoided. Contamination must be avoided. Do not freeze. We are keeping it at 15 to 25 degrees C in the fridge. The working reagent is stable for 4 weeks at 15 to 25 degrees C if protected from light and stored close. And now they are telling you how which type of samples are used, which type of samples are for this machine. Firstly, serum heparinized plasma or urine, in which there is no hemolysis, and the stability is 24 hours at 2 to 8 degrees C. If the dilute urine, then 1+49 with distilled water ratio will be used. What are the assays? The wavelength is 492 nanogram. The range is 492 to 510 nanometer. Optical path is 1 centimeter. Temperature is 37 degrees C. The measurement against air increase absorbance. Warm the reagent and the cuvettes to the desired temperature and keep the constant for the duration of the test. What is the pipette scheme? Please use the standard and include the test kits or autocol. As I already told you in the previous part that there are 3 positions available. There are 3 positions available, as you see, 1, 2 and 3. These positions 1, 2 and 3. The first one is for autocol, and the second one is for Serodox, and the third one is for Serodox Plus. And from the number 4, we have to put the samples. And now we have analyzing setting is a 2 short version. Firstly, you have to apply sample NaOH reagent 1 and picric acid. We already submitted all the things in the machine. As I told you that in the reagent part we already submitted reagent 1, reagent 2, for the creatinine. We are now putting the sample in this position and machine will do all the things automatically. We don't have to put the reagent 1 in the cuvettes and the reagent 2 in the cuvettes and then we have to incubate. This is not for us because we are doing it on an automatic machine. If you are doing manually, then you have to put the things differently. Machine will already doing it 1:4, which type of ratios are used. Now we have to, they also told you about the manual application. We are there. The temperature is 37 degrees C, method 2 fixed time. Procedures are used. Reagent specification to apply the reagent on non-human. As I already told you that you can also put all the things, all the kits on non-human system, but you have to calibrate it with the via engineer, and you have to prepare the other machine for this. You can also put this kit on another machine. What is the manual application? If you are doing pipetting into cuvette samples, and standard must be, if semi micro you are doing 100 microliter. If you are doing macroly, then it will be 200 microliter. The working reagent you have to prepare is 1000 microliter for semi micro and 2000 microliter for the micro. What is the manual application? Mix and start the stopwatch after 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, read the absorbance A1 and read the absorbance A2 after exactly 2 minutes, and then you have to minus A2 minus A1, which is the sample or delta A standard. And this is the formula how to calculate the creatinine concentration in the urine and different things in the mention. Now we are moving towards the performance characteristics. The linearity, the test is linear up to the creatinine concentration in the serum of 15 milligram per deciliter or 1326 micromole per liter, in urine of 500 milligram per deciliter or 44,200 milliliter per liter. Dilute the sample with higher concentration in the serum. If the concentration is very high, then you have to dilute the serum plasma or dilute urine 1+5 with the physiological saline and repeat the assay. Multiply the result by 6, and typically performance data can be found in the verification report. Now these are the reference value in the serum. There is a difference between men and women, as it already told you in the milligram 2 units milligram per deciliter and mu mole per liter, and as in men it will be 0.6 to 1.1 and in women 0.5 to 0.9. And in the urine creatinine clearance, in men it will be 98 to 156 milliliter per minute, and in women 95 to 160 milliliter per minute. What is the quality control? All the quality sera with creatinine values determined by this method can be employed. We can recommend the use of our quality control sera. As I already told you, in the second position we have to put the serodox, which is based on the human serum. What are the important notes in this? The working reagent is sensitive to air. This will cause the calibration factor to increase over time when stored open to analyzer. Control should be done in 2 hours intervals, and the reagent should be recalibrated if recovery of controls shown as trend to lower values. Working reagent bottle should be kept closed as much as possible. The reaction is highly sensitive to temperature. The reaction temperature must be kept constant. The assay can be affected by the presence of reducing compound. The interference can be partially eliminated by boiling the urine for a short time. The small amount of precipitate in the sodium hydroxide solution is insignificant. The administration of leads to false, low or high patient results. What are the safety notes? NaOH, which is the reagent 1, is danger. Picric acid and standard is warming. And what are they already mentioned what are the hazard statement and which type of things they will cause. And I already told you how the creatinine will work. We will meet you in the next video.